Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm super sorry that we haven't been posting lately. It's because of technical problems with the computer, and so now we have fixed everything. And so in today's exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few plants that are in bloom right now, because I would love to show you guys the state of the garden right now and the flowers. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So Ultimate Gardener, the first flower I want to show you guys is the Passion Head Over Heels Hardy Hibiscus. This is a beautiful hibiscus. We actually showcased this beautiful hibiscus on our channel before in a recent video, and so it's in full bloom right now, and I'm absolutely loving it. You guys, look at how gorgeous that is. It's super pretty, and it's surprising how much blooms it gives off. So let's go ahead and move on to the second flower. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is the next flower right here. This is the Dick Clark Rose. So if you could get closer and show them. So this is a beautiful rose, you guys. Super pretty, and I absolutely love it. So this is the area it's going to be placed in. It's super pretty. The coloring of the petals is amazing, and the actual leaf of the bottom is pretty because it's sort of like a light yellow, and so I absolutely love it. And so let's go ahead and move on to the third flower. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is the next flower right here. This is the Also Easy Italian Iced Rose. So this right here is such a beautiful flower, you guys. This is a bit more as an aged flower. I will be posting a photo up on the screen on how it looked like when it recently came out, and so I'm very happy on how that came out. So just a few steps here. This is the next flower. So coming in right here, this is the Pink Chiffon Rose of Sharon, and it opened up super pretty, you guys. I absolutely love it, and it's still full of buds right now, cracking open, and these two decided to stare at me when I came out, and so I absolutely love that. So let's move on to the next flower. So Ultimate Gardeners, this is the next area right here. This is the Xenia Patch, and so most of these flowers are in full bloom, like this orange, the pink, the yellow. All of them are in full bloom, and I actually love this area, you guys. Super pretty. They're starting to bush out, and so I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on this. And the flowers are super pretty. They're doing amazingly. They're performing amazing, and so I'm very happy on how this project came out. So let's go ahead and move on to the next plant. So Ultimate Gardeners, the final flower in the garden is this plant right here called Jatropha. So this is actually a pretty big tree it goes to, and so it blooms these clusters of small pink flowers, and then the lanterns or the seeds are very interesting because they're shaped as pumpkins, and so that's very unique about Jatropha, and so I absolutely love it. It's something that you should have in the garden. Here I'm trying to figure out an area where it could be placed, because this does grow to be a big tree, and so I'm trying to figure out what place it could be in. And so let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, those are all beautiful flowers I recommend you guys having in the garden. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Another thing, my sister's about to hit 100 subscribers, so make sure to go ahead and check out her channel up here. So please go show her some support, and yeah, get her to 100 subscribers. So thank you all for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.